Mabilis lang to. Okay, so my topic is fingernail and two-nail care. So, as a CNA, dapat tayo din, maintain natin yung short nails and yung proper hygiene. Dapat we have to avoid biting our nails. Check natin din yung mga underneath ng nails natin na walang dumi para hindi tayo makapag
Cross-contamination.
To avoid cross-contamination. So, ito yung mga signs of sa Google lang to, signs of mga issues sa mga fingernails. So, dapat i-check din natin regularly yung nails ng patient kung may changes ba. Tapos i-document natin, tapos i-report natin sa nurse or sa hospital. And so, ayan yung may lateral nail fold.
Huwag na yan, next.
So, the purpose of nail care is to keep the nail clean and neat to prevent the patient's skin from scratching also. Kasi pag mataas na yung nail ng pasyente, so may tendency na may scratch na yung mga niya. And equipment needed, so clean gloves, wash basin, MSS basin, washcloth, towel, nail clipper, soft nail clipper.
Bakit sa kanila ang tawag nail clipper, no? Sa atin kay nail cutter. Anyway. Okay.
Clipper.
Soft nail, brush.
And emery board or the nail file.
Nail file talaga yan? Di ba file yan?
Check ko sa
File.
File?
Wait lang.
Pag-file document na yun.
File.
Tama ka!
Di ba ginagawa sa file?
File.
Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng file?
Yung pang ano pang tawag niyan, pang
liha.
Liha, oo, liha.
Sandpaper na lang.
Sandpaper.
Nail file yan. Okay, next.
File.
Or emery board.
Emery board na lang.
Lotion and then your
Lotion and
pads. Okay, next.
So, next is gather supplies. After wash basin, warm and everything, you have to do the routine pre-procedure steps. So, knock, introduce yourself, provide privacy, and hand hygiene, and identify the resident. So, for the steps in cleaning, put on the gloves, put on the clean gloves, fill the wash basin with warm water, and place on a flat surface with a barrier underneath. So, yung warm water, i-check natin yung temperature kung hindi masyadong mainit or sakto lang.
Paano mag-check ng temperature? Ganun ba?
Elbow.
Pwede
Directly.
Ay,
So, since naka-gloves ka, okay. So, ako na magbasa, gawin mo na lang. Have the resident also perform hand hygiene. Kasi pwede din sila maghugas.
Tapos, hand sanitize pa yung ano.
Immerse the patient's hand in the water for 5 to 10
Hand
minutes.
hygiene sa
Tapos mag-gloves ka.
Tapos, eto, i-soak yung kamay for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then after,
Place your hand on the barrier. Use a manicure stick, clean underneath each nail, wiping any debris on the barrier after each nail.
eto na. So, dito. Then, wipe with, i-check mo pala yung temperature, sir, sa water. Kung okay ba.
Tapos na ma'am, nalagay na lang ko ng 5 to 10 minutes.
Napalot na ma'am.
Huli na ang lahat. Ay sir, nakalimutan ko mag-check yung temperature.
So, wipe, dry the hand, and then, clean the underneath the nails. Dapat, ano yung...
Anong ginagamit mo na? Anong instrument na yan?
Orange stick, pero wala akong orange stick. Ito na
So, pwede ba akong picturean ng orange stick? Meron ka ba picture ng orange stick? Or basta picturean mo ako ng orange stick, ilagay mo sa group.
Nasa kanya.
Okay. So, we don't use yung metallic. Dapat wooden na yung stick ba?
Pero may nabasa din ako, sir, pag hindi daw pwedeng wood, baka mag-splinter
Pwede din yun. Pero, as much as possible, wag yung metal kasi it can cause more. Especially sa diabetic na patient. Okay, cool. So, clean each nail. Kada nail, pahid. Bakit kailangan natin ipahid kada nail?
Para hindi
To avoid cross-contamination. Kasi pag may bacteria dito, matransfer mo, kunwari fungi, matransfer mo, okay? Now, using a manicure stick, clean it underneath. And the next is
So, next is
trim the nails using a clipper. So, let's focus on the diabetic patients. How do you cut the diabetic patient's nails? Ha?
Hindi sa extra.
So, hindi sagad, and then, anong shape dapat?
square.
Square. Bakit kaya nga dapat, di ba yung nail bed natin ganyan?
Kasi sir,
Dapat
ito,
square lang daw.
to
Hindi
avoid
pwedeng,
sugat.
Hindi siya
Yes.
pwedeng arc.
oo, bakit hindi pwedeng arc?
Because
Para
the nail will
ma-avoid
grow
sir
in
masugatan ang gilid.
Para hindi masugatan, ikaw?
Yes po.
the nail will grow in an arc. Tapos mag-detention sa skin.
Para may iwasan ingrow nails. So, ikaw, para hindi masugatan. Why? Bakit pa? Ano mangyayari pag masugatan sa diabetic
Kasi sir, it
patient?
takes time for the diabetic patient to heal because they have high blood.
Okay, so dapat square. So, ayan na, magsa-square na. Paano mo naman i-shape yung kanyang fingernails?
Using the emery board.
Emery board
Dapat
or
yung
nail file.
stroke nails from asan na yung rough?
Walang tamo dito para makita.
Yung rough muna. So, from outside towards the middle part of your nail.
Have to be a nail technician.
Kasi pag itagilid ka dapat kayo, para kita din na ate.
Ganun mo.
Ayun ko.
Okay lang, sige lang.
Sige lang. Sige. ganun.
YouTube na YouTube.
So assuming diabetic
Naging nail technician.
So, eto. Anong art gusto mo, sir? Then, check if
Art.
rough ba siya or hindi. Pag rough ba, kailangan mo pang i-file sa rough road.
Rough road.
Art.
Okay.
Na, YouTube po.
At least punong-puno siya.
Then after, you have to
File each nail outside towards the middle of the nail. Check each nail for snags, and file until smooth. Rinse the hand in water. Return the barrier and dry. Offer lotion. Wipe excess lotion.
then dry. Then lotion. Ito na.
Massage.
Extra.
Extra na siya.
And then,
Yan, tuk-tuk mo.
okay.
Ang tuloy. Puplan.
And then,
wipe off extra lotion.
bakit kailangan natin i-wipe off yung extra moist or extra lotion?
To avoid sores.
Diba ano yung mangyayari if you're wet ba, yung may mga moist? Mas more bacteria.
Yes, bacteria sir.
Kasi mangiting mga madilim-dilim, mamasa-masa, at saka mainit-init.
And do the same procedure in the other hand.
And do the same thing with the foot. Okay? Tapos offer yung lotion, remove excess lotion. Sa foot na lang kasi once after that, pwede mo bigyan sila ng socks later. Yung socks should be anti-skid, meaning yung may mga rubberized socks para to prevent from accident or mga injury, slide. Okay? And then do your aftercare. So, perform hand hygiene, check the comfort, ensure the bed is locked, low and lock, arrange the call light, call bell, open the door and privacy curtain, and then document kung may makita kang mga abnormalities dun sa kanyang kamay.